Steal by out of bounds. Kanino po? Bola ng team. Team ano, wala pa pala. Miss. Miss po. Bola ng team, Biel pa rin. Nakailang miss na daw. Good ball. Siniserpat na ba yan? Wala pa.
Alis na kanina.
J-Mark, no good. Rebound by Prince. Prince, no good. Rebound nino. Rebound by Ivan. Out of bounds. Bola ng team J-Mark. J-Mark, crossover move. J-Mark pa rin. J-Mark. No good. Rebound by Jerome.
Wait lang
Mo yung camera, boy.
Ayun, tsaka ito.
Ako kanina dyan eh. Ako naman.
Ay, ka ba din na?
Oo, kanina dyan first.
Bien.
Wala, nalita.
No good. Rebound by Justin. To Jeru. Jeru na una. Jeru lumipad. 2 points. Jeru Lucera.
Puro pinapaulo.
Next game natin, Team Mary versus Team Sean 2.0.
Ay, daming pwedeng mo.
Block.
Delete ko muna yung video dyan. Delete ko muna clip mo nun.
15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds shoot. 15 seconds shoot. Good ball. Labas na po. Score 2-0 in favor of Team Chocolate.
Last 30 seconds.
9 seconds to shoot. Jero taking 3. Novio people 5. Justine 2 points. Justine Magday. 4-0. JL. Pass to Prince. Pass to J-Mark. Pass to Prince. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Chappie. Pass to Jeru. Out of bounds. Good ball. 15 seconds to shoot.
Bakaw.
Again. Pass to Jen. Pass to J-Mark. Pass to Kuha Mali. 2 points. Again. Tumano. 4-2. Jeru.
Papasa yung boy.
Jeru. Pass to Chucky. 15 seconds to shoot. Jeru. Are you playing? No, you're Rebound ni Ivan. 10 seconds to shoot. Justine. Shoot shot. Wala. Rebound by Biel. 7 minutes and 10. Good ball. Change court po, may counted na yan ha. Change court, may counted na yan. Side step move. No good. Rebound by Jerome. Steal by JL for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Good ball. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Chucky. Pass to Ivan. Taking 3. Ivan Magday. 7-2.
Boss ka, ayaw tumira.
7-2.
Dati. Walang iya, no. Dati, boss Chuck, saring ka lang natin.
Imiel. Crossover mo ba Imiel again? Imiel bumangga. Imiel. Pinoy pride. No good. To Ivan pa rin. Ivan pass to Jerome. 1 under. 2 points. Jerome. Damasco. Mr. Hot Pepper. 6 minutes exactly.